Okay, Jewelry Divas, we are ready to bring that holiday flavor in. We are making silver bell earrings. Okay, so this is what your project is going to look like. And you're going to need your 20 gauge wire and a bead unit, which this is a bead unit. Okay, so if you're not sure how to make that, we're not going to do that on camera right now. But you will need a piece of 20 gauge wire, and it can be as big or as small as you want. But either way, you're going to use your round nose pliers, okay? So we're kind of picturing the center, okay? And I want to take my round nose and put the wire all the way to the end because I want like the biggest loop ever, okay? So, well, I'm going to take that and just fold it down. Did you see that? And that's how it is. And then I'm going to go on the other side. Okay. Finding my big piece, and I'm just going to fold it down. Okay. So now it looks like this, right? Make those two cross. Let me put the pliers down for a minute. So I'm going to hold it here. Nope, I'm not, because I want you to see this. All you're going to do is cross the wires like that. Okay? So now we're here. Doesn't it look like a bow already? Yes, indeedy, sweet Louie. Okay, so these are our holiday bows. Yay! Now you're going to grab another piece of 20 gauge wire, and you're going to, you see how this is happening, you guys, you're going to lay this over this portion here. You're going to have a tail that at the top, then you're going to hold this with your index finger and your thumb, and you're just going to wrap around that center part. You see how it's coming along? Okay, just wrap around. And now, see how easy that is? Now you're going to cut off a little bit of this wire in the middle. Okay? Grab your round nose and make a loop that kisses the bottom of that wire. Okay, so you're here. Now, remember, we have this tail up top, right? So you have a loop at the bottom, and you have the tail on top. I want you to do the same thing. I'm going to cut a little bit off of here, and I'm just going to make a simple loop going down to kiss the wire. You see how that goes? So what you're going to do now is you're simply going to, well, I'm going to open this up a little bit more, and it acts like a jump ring at this point. And I'm just going to add my bead unit to the bottom, and then I'm going to close that loop that I opened. I'm going to close that back up. Okay, so we have that. And then I'm going to take my earring, my ear wire, and I'm going to open this loop back up. And I'm going to put the earring right in that loop. And then I'm going to close it up again. Okay? So now you have your earrings, and you're like, but look at that, that's not even. Girl, look, let me show you something. So we're here, and I want it to kind of dangle more, so I'm going to cut off about that much on that side and do the same on this side. And now we have our earring. Okay, so that was really quick and easy. You can make a bunch of those. Use holiday colors. make a lot as gifts or whatever you want to do. This is your project. So I hope you have fun with that. Make a bunch, and you can always email me and show off your pictures, or go into the Facebook group and on my Earrings by Angela page, and show me a picture what you make and say 12 days of holiday, hashtag 12 days of holiday. Okay? All right.